Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use AliRat's newsletters. Now, first and foremost, how to get to the login screen. Go to the Google URL bar at the top, not the search. We don't want to use the search because it may not turn it up to the correct place. Go up to the bar at the top and type in newsletters.alirat.co.nz and hit enter. You'll then be taken to the login screen, and I'll type in my username in here. Email, and I'll put my password in. And log in. Right. So here we have. This is what you'll see. This is actually my newsletters, but this is what you'll see. You'll see recent drafts at the top there on the overview. We're on the overview tab. You'll see recent drafts, the things that you've been working on, and then down at the bottom you'll see recently sent campaigns. And see this one here, Spring September 2011. I've actually sent that 3 times. The first time to 236 people, the second time to 1 person, and then again to 1 person. And of course I've got the test campaign there. So this kind of gives you a brief overview of what's currently happening. You've got 4 tabs at the top. Overview, create and send. That's where you will be creating a new newsletter. Lists and subscribers is all your lists, your email list. You can have more than 1 list, but I recommend that you just segment your existing list if you've got different people that you want to send out different information to, because that's possible too. And then you've got the reports screen, which shows reports of all your campaigns. So for example, if I look at that one, I can see when they've been opened, how many people, any emails that have bounced because of delivery problems, how many not opened, and all sorts of different information like that. So that's good to have a really good look around that. Now if we go back to the overview, what I want to do is just create a new campaign. So at the top right here is the create a new campaign button. You just click that. Campaign name, I'm going to call this October 2011, and a subject of something to try and get people to open up your email. That could make it sound interesting and exciting. Launching new newsletter product. In this subject line here that you send to people, you can actually personalize this to put your recipients' names. See the personalize the subject with subscriber details. We could put that in. I could put that at the beginning and put hi, and then personalize, insert first name, go, whoops. So that actually came at the end when I wanted it to come at the there. I can just cut that out. Hi, insert it here, paste, there we are. That little piece of code says hi, first name. So if the person's got their first name on my list, it'll say hi Joe or John or Josephine, whatever their first name is. And then if I don't have a first name, it will have a fallback, which means, it'll just, at the moment, it'll say hi customer. Well, I don't want it to say hi customer. That's a bit boring, so I'll just put friend. Hi friend, launching new newsletter product. I'll just put a little dash in there, okay, from me. And then my email address, and then we're good to go. Send replies to me, Alison at AliRat, and then we can start editing. Now I want to use one of my templates, and I want to use this one here, the Mute Alirat version, which I've edited so that it looks how I want it to look. And then, and this is the part that you as the customer, you as the client won't have to do, because I'll get those your templates set up for you, because this is all done in code. So there we are. Use one of my templates, and then the next screen will be the actual writing of the newsletter. So this is how it works. This is the edit side. On the left hand side, the grey area, that's where you'll be writing stuff in, and this is the right hand side, which is actually what it looks like. And on here you'll notice there's little edit buttons everywhere. Edit, or trash, or add new, because some areas you can have more than one article. Say for example, in the article area you can have as many as you want. And the other news you can have edit or add new there. In this bit here at the top left, you can't edit this because this actually is created by this here. I'll show you what I mean. To edit your content, you need to click one of these buttons, like so. I want to edit an article here, and I want to write newsletters. This is a heading. I'm going to choose a file, a picture file, and just come into my filing system. Now your filing system is obviously going to be different from mine. Good idea is to have all your pictures ready. Bloop. I think I'll sort of speed through this. And that's just the alternative title for the image. It just is handy for if the image is missing. Usually when people receive their emails, all the images aren't there. Most email programs won't download the images unless you say download images. That's just simply to save or a lot of rubbish ending up on your computer that you don't want. So that's generally the way. So why we give it a name is that then it's obvious to the person what they're downloading. So now I'm going to put the text in, which I've prepared here. I'll just copy and paste this and put it into the text box there. You can also put links in. So thanks to Stardogs, I highlight Stardogs and insert a link. Put the full URL in. That includes the HTTP : // one way of getting these links is to actually go to the website and just copy it out of the menu bar, the URL bar. Insert that, and I'll do those other ones later on. Save the changes, and there we have the article there, and the writing and all that sort of stuff, and also newsletters. It comes up here in this issue. If I have other news in this item here, you can edit that. I'm going to do go the All Blacks, and then I'm just going to put a few words in here which I've previously got prepared previously, as they say, the cooking programs. That goes in there. Now I'm going to add a new one, so we've got two little side pockets here, and I'm going to have only bits here, and I'm going to have only 9 weeks to go to Christmas. It's just a little reminder. Only 9 weeks to Christmas. These are just sort of short things here. Now I also, I'll just delete this just to show you I've got an article down here called Do You Know, and then I have Do You Know here, so you can see that bit there. It is hyperlinked, so if you click that you will sort of jump down here. I'm going to delete that because I don't want it. Right, so that's as easy as that. You just push the rubbish bin. Okay, now I want to add a new article in here, so I just click the Add New, and it adds a new article here, which I'm going to just copy and paste. I'll copy and paste here in other news. I'll actually use that first bit for the title. This is just a little article about garbage alternatives, and I'm going to add it. There we are. I'm going to add an image to this one as well. Choose file. You wonder how I keep track of all my files. It's a wonder of wonders I do. That's right, and I'm going to put the alt thing as garbage alternatives. There we are, save changes. There, now apart from the fact that I haven't actually done my links yet, and I think that picture might be too big, so I'm just going to edit that, and I'm going to remove the image from there. So it's as easy as that, and then save the changes. So I don't really need to have a great big picture of an email envelope. So editing, and then I'm reasonably happy with the layout of that. I don't like sending too much information to people. The people don't have scads and scads of time available to read my precious emails. So I really want to send my email just to keep in touch base with people, and it's particularly with offering this new newsletter product. It's important that I give people the details. It's very important that I put a link. Full details are on my website, and I would actually add a link here. Full details are on my website. I'll highlight the whole thing, insert link, and then I'll put my website details in here, which I don't have the newsletter page off the top of my head, but just for the purposes of this, I'll just put this in, and then I'll edit it later on before I send it out. You can also personalize this. So I can put hi, oops, not ho, hi, and then insert personalization, first name, last name, whatever, custom fields. So I can put first name, and then the fallback means I'm going to put hi there, because I say that to people, hi there. And if I don't have the person's first name, I'm just saying hi there. So I'll save that changes. And you can't see it come out here, but when we test it, we'll be able to. So we can preview the newsletters. There we are. Hi there. I'm very excited about this new product. I've got the All Blacks, 9 weeks till Christmas newsletters on, and if you click these links, you'll see that you actually get taken to that little spot. Yeah, so that's it really. Okay, so after we've done that, we define the recipients. I'm going to use my existing subscriber list. There we are, Ali Rat's list. And then I go next. And this is the important thing. I'll have to sort those credits out. That's absolutely fine. So don't worry about that. If you get a sign like, if you get a message like this, get in touch with me straight away, because it's my credits will be going on the thing. So I have to make sure that I keep them well stocked up. So you shouldn't ever see this message, but if in the event that you do, because like maybe 6 people have suddenly sent out campaigns at the same time and I've run out of credits, please just let me know straight away and I'll get it sorted out immediately. So for the most important thing is that we want to send a test campaign. So we send the test campaign send the test campaign using the fallback terms I supplied, and then just send me the test. And that's the newsletter.